supposed to go for? There's a spider. Alright, so we're trying different cereals today because I haven't had any. This is what we got so far.
This is my childhood dream. We got some. We'll show you guys later.
Okay. We're gonna get milk now. They have frozen avocado?
What did you?
What? I should just get those.
Alright,
Wait, they have oatmeal. I'll look at it.
Okay, oat milk for what?
Just want me to try. But it's always sold out at my Target. Oh, sorry, I have it in there too. Okay. Should we get a whole gallon or half gallon?
Let's say half gallon. Should we get bowls? Is that way we don't have to clean them?
Huh?
Should we get bowls, like plastic?
You don't want to do dishes?
No.
Oh, these are on clearance.
Oh yeah, get those. You're losing money not getting those. How deep are those? Oh, those are whole.
Alright, this one?
Hey, yeah. There we go. I think we're chilling. Hey. Oh no. Oh no.
Again. On my way.
Sorry. So, just came out of Target.
Secure the bag.
Secure the bag. Jesse's driving today. We spent 32, the most I ever spent on cereal. We have cereals for days. Hit me up if you want the cereal. So we're about to head out to Ryan's. He just texted me. He said we're on our way. Plot twist.
Plot twist. Where are we trying cereal?
We're gonna try cereal. Hopefully Ryan joins us. Hopefully lets us put the milk in his fridge.
I know.
I know. Hopefully he's cool with us coming. Wow, everyone, look at the sunset. It's so romantic. We're gonna speed up.
Shut up. I'm only going 70.
Wow, look at the sunset, guys. Whoa, so romantic.
So romance.
Wow. Cute. We out here. Wow. So we're gonna go pick up some little seizures for Ryan. Hopefully, we're gonna watch the Pacquiao fight. Hopefully, it doesn't start by the time hopefully it starts by the time we're there. But yeah, and then hopefully he wants to join us for cereal. So we're on our way. We'll see you when we're at Little Seizures. Perfect. Just got the $6 one. They didn't have the $5 one. So it's gonna be a 10-minute wait, and Pacquiao's fighting already. So $6 it is. Nothing but the best for my boy Ryan. All right, we have to go watch the fight. Hopefully they let us in.
Did you ring the doorbell?
No, was I supposed to? Oh, you got a package.
You got milk.
Yeah, can we put that in your fridge?
Yeah.
We're at Ryan's house now and we're watching the Pacquiao fight.
Thanks, Ryan, for letting us watch the Pacquiao fight. Oh. So change of plans.
Going to Big
Al's.
Tahoe, haha.
Can we turn this up? Hey, what's up, Ryan?
Tahoe,
We're doing a vlog. Here, look. There's cereals back there and there's cereals right here. Tell us the story of each one.
Oh, Oreos!
Those are bomb, right?
Oh, I love Fruity Pebble as well. Okay.
And then there's more in the other box. I mean, the other bag right there.
Oh wow.
This right
Right
here?
here?
Yeah.
That's a lot of cereal.
Yeah, dude, it's like $30 worth of cereal.
That's $30.
Yeah. Chelsea hasn't tried most of them.
I tried any of those.
Change of plans. Not going to Big Al's.
Plot twist. We are going to Big Al's.
Huh? They got bowling there. They got VRs over there. Wait, you're supposed to do blackberry lemonade. So we did end up at Big Al's. We got blackberry lemonade. But yo, this is hella fucking huge, fucking hella huge.
Oh wow.
Ryan steps here.
Oh, hey, swear. Oh.
This is a PG-13 vlog channel, Ryan.
I had to go to like hella 4 bars to get that stuff.
Oh,
Sorry,
damn. Yeah, Ryan. Woo. What is it? What is this, right? What do you have in front of you?
It's called a mudslide.
Mudslide. Very muddy. How do you like your straw?
Soggy.
Check this out. Check this out.
Oh.
Yeah, okay.
That's a good idea.
All right. So we finna play whole gate. It's like these little VR things. We're just waiting for the assistants. You ready, Steph? You ready, Charles? You ready, Ryan? How they look. Yeah. So we finally got the thing. We're gonna play the scary one. No, we're doing the whole thing. We're good. Let's go. Where do we go? Who's player one? Oh, we got the guns. Huh? Really? Yo. Oh, shit. Oh, that's so sick. Dude. Can people see what we were doing?
People could see what we were doing.
Dude, that was so scary. That was sick. What do you
That was
what do you
scary. I screamed at first.
That was fun.
I'm player 2.
Hey.
Oh, it's player 3. All right, that's pretty cool.
That was fun.
Your girl number 1.
That
Oh my
was fun.
God.
That was cool.
You guys all suck.
That was cool. That was cool. That was fun. I recommend the Hollow Gate. Dude, he got the. He's gonna pour it? I don't know.
I'm just beyond like baffled that we can take shots and no one sees it. Cheers, guys. Oh, see you guys.
Is that for me? Wait, what?
Oh, he just gave us a shot. Okay.
See, I'm not.
Dude, okay, smell it. It's like you don't get that like
They're bad chips and they're good chips. The best kind of French chips.
Hey.
We just played it the other day. I just quit. I got a job like in San Francisco. I'm gonna be working at SFO.
What'd you think of the shot? What do you think of that Casa Azul? 1942. I mean, Casa Azul. Never mind. Wait, can you take a picture of me with it? Hold on, alright. He's gonna give us one more shot.
Do you want more lines here? I'm okay. Huh?
I hope that's not for us. That's for us.
Yeah. Thank you, that's it.
That's all?
Yeah.
Okay, it'll be 7:30.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, Manny.
Yo.
If you look to the right, there's a chicken place called Bongs.
Uh-huh.
Highly recommend it.
Really?
Highly recommend. Oh, you know Chelsea?
Yeah, I like it.
Oh man, highly recommend. Highly recommend.
I got you.
Highly recommend. Highly recommend.
The Bronx.
Just use my card. It's okay.
Wow, thanks, Dad.
Man, this was such a
We did get you two free. We did get you free shots.
bitch.
We got you free shots.
Eating some Burger King right now. Definitely need ranch. Yeah. We're doing our cereal sample test now. We have Oreo O's, 10 grams, because that's how I ate it. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Frosted Flakes, Cocoa Pebbles, Apple Jacks, Reese's Puffs, Fruity Pebbles, and Lucky Charms.
Ryan, what do? Do you pour cereal first, then milk, or milk and cereal?
Cereal and then first, then milk.
Cocoa Pebbles. Lame.
You know what this one?
scrumptious.
The way I like it is you gotta let it sit for a little bit.
No,
It's like when you're all soggy and
Put it to the side.
you don't want soggy cereal. You don't want soggy cereal.
Put it to the side.
It just
And
tastes
then
like,
get it.
I'm eating the whole thing, so.
True or fact? Cereal tastes better at night.
Waste
You
it.
said true or facts, so I can't really say.
Fruity Pebbles.
It tastes the same. Since when last time I had them.
Tastes like fruity Apple Jacks.
Dude, hold on. When you play it back, you should see my face.
You like them?
I don't like them.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not a fan of it.
Apple
Jacks.
Mmm. Ugly.
These are good, right? I don't think they taste the same when I was a kid though.
Where?
There's a Spider-Man. There's a Spider-Man.
This is fire.
Reese's Puffs. Reese's Puffs.
It tastes like
It's good hangover food. I like my Cocoa Pebbles.
it's my first time having it too.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I think I like them salty.
Oreos.
I don't know if they taste the same.
I like Cocoa Pebbles, but this would probably be number 2 on the list.
Yeah?
It doesn't taste like Oreos. I think I'm having sugar overload right now.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Everything tastes too sweet.
You have a big head.
Yeah, you do.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
It's really cinnamon.
Yo, it just tastes like my coffee bean.
That's what I said, right? Right?
It's not bad.
I look like I'm dying.
Frosted Flakes. Don't try this at home, kids. I tap out. I'm gonna watch this.
No, just put it in the seat, man.
They're great.
What the hell? Oh.
They're okay. Oh my god. I'm full.
Everything. How was it?
Stomach.
Oh man, I got a stomach.
But it was cool.
I'm keeping this milk.
Bye everyone. Like and subscribe. Send it to your friends. Leave a comment. Subscribe. But for sure.
Whenever
Hope you like this. This is kind of random. Thanks, Ryan.
Bye.
Peace.